How often should I replace my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning air filter? You should replace a standard filter every 30 to 90 days, but if you have pets or allergies, you should change it closer to every 30 days. Think of your air filter like a screen door that catches dust, dirt, and pet hair before it gets into your air system. When the filter gets clogged, your system has to work much harder to push air through it, kind of like trying to breathe through a thick blanket. This makes your unit use more energy and can even cause it to wear out faster than it should. Something a lot of people do not know is that a filter that is too clogged can actually let dust and dirt sneak around the edges and blow right back into your home. Another interesting fact is that the higher the rating number on a filter, called the minimum efficiency reporting value, the more it can trap tiny particles, but it can also restrict airflow if your system was not built for it. A good rule of thumb is to check your filter with a flashlight once a month, and if you cannot see light shining through it clearly, it is time for a new one. Marking your calendar or setting a reminder on your phone is the easiest way to stay on top of this simple task. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming that every filter lasts exactly 90 days no matter what, but homes with pets, smokers, or nearby construction usually need much more frequent changes. Another common misconception is that a more expensive, higher-rated filter is always better, when in reality it can strain your system if it was not designed to handle that thick of a filter, so it is best to check your owner's manual first. A lot of homeowners also forget to check the size printed on the edge of the old filter before buying a replacement. So a quick tip is to just take a picture of the size label with your phone before you go shopping. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.